Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and in today's video I will show you my step-by-step how I style my hair using a Denman brush. This brush, I got it recently from my sister. She bought it for me for my birthday, and I was very curious to try it on. I heard very good compliments about this brush, that it helps styling your curls. So I decided to give it a try, and in this video I will show you how I use the brush. This is the Denman Brush D14 with 5 rows. This is a mini version. Is great for traveling. The original is longer and has more bristles. Um, the idea with this brush is you can have them with more rows, so you have more definition. You can have less, or you can even remove any rows. So if let's say that you want to have smaller curls or bigger curls, you can just remove the rows and you can customize. See how you can easily remove it. You can customize your brush depending of your hair and your curl pattern. And also I find that it's very useful to clean because you can remove it. So it's a good gadget to have. And once you remove it, you can just put it back together very easily, like so. One of the benefits of this brush is that it helps define your curls, and also it helps your curls clamp together easily and and better. So if you're struggling to get defined curls, using a Denman brush is great for you, especially if you are somebody who is transitioning from straight hair to curly hair. This is a good tool to help you create the curls and the definition that you want. And in my case, I have very good curl pattern, but I like to define the front a little bit. So as you can see, this tight curls, I got it using the brush. Something that I want to mention is that this brush is designed to style your hair. So it's meant to use when your hair is wet, and you have to make sure that your hair is fully saturated with product. Do not use this brush when your hair is dry, and do not use this brush to detangle your curls or your hair. This product is designed to style. You have to apply the product first, distribute the product, and then curl the hair. That's the way you use it. If you need to detangle your curls, you need to use a detangler brush. So this is for styling, not for detangling. So very important, because you don't want to damage your hair. Make sure you use it properly. If you're interested to know how I use this brush and the products that I use to style my hair, keep watching. Once my hair is washed and conditioned, I like to use a leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner are great to give moisture to your hair. This one here doesn't have any protein, it's just pure moisturizing product. I like to distribute the product with my fingers, and starting from middle to end, which is the area that usually needs more hydration, and then whatever is left, I just spread it to the rest of my hair. My second product is a styling cream. This cream helps with curl formation, and I like to apply it upside down. I find that this way is easier for me, and I ended up using less product. And I'm just coating my hair and spread it with my fingers so to evenly distribute it, and scrunching so it can penetrate into my hair follicles. Also, styling upside down gives me more volume, and make my curls form away from my scalp, which to me is important to get good definition and volume, especially since I don't have a lot of density. At this point is when I like to use the Denman brush. I seen lots of video of other girls styling their whole hair with a brush. I tried it before, but I find that since I have low density hair, my curls clump together too much and I lose volume. And just by doing the upside down styling first and then just smoothing the front of my hair gives me a better result and my curls get more defined. As you can see here, I'm taking small sections from the front and combing through the hair to distribute the product and twisting or curling the ends. This will help those curls form nicely and be very defined. And after, just scrunching them. Another tip is always brush the hair away from your scalp. This will help create volume up the top. And again, remember to distribute the product first, brush, then curl the ends for a more definition. As I mentioned before, I like to use this brush to style just the front to frame my face, because usually my curls tend to be a little bit tight. By using the brush, they get more defined. I also like to use the brush to define the curls on my crown. Usually my hair tends to separate at the back, and by using the brush, it helps prevent that from happening. I don't like when I can see my scalp from the back, so as you can see here, I'm just brushing the hair away from my scalp in like a 90-degree, and the same process, combing through and then twisting the ends. And after that, I'm just scrunching the hair just to keep the curls in place. Once I'm happy with my curls, I go ahead and apply my gel, and I apply it in the same way, upside down. I'm just blading the product slightly on my hair and then gently scratching to keep those curls in place for days. Finally, I like to use this jelly. Is an 8 oil blend jelly. It just helps to keep moisture in my hair, and since it has natural elements and products, it just keeps my hair looking healthy, shiny, and beautiful. To help with the drying process, I'm using a microfiber towel to remove excess product and water from my hair. Now I'm plopping my hair with the same towel, just wrap it around my head, and this technique helps make curls form tighter and also absorb that excess water that you have on your hair, which cuts down the drying process. So as you can see, I'm just putting it on the top of my head to keep it in place. I like to leave it for about 5 minutes, and then I start diffusing my hair, starting from my roots and then moving to my ends to prevent your ends to drying out too fast. Once the gel cast is starting to form, I like to slightly scrunch the cast and shake the root to give more volume. And after that, I continue diffusing. At this point, my hair is about 80% dry, and I use cold air to just finish drying my hair. thank you once again for watching this tutorial. And my final thoughts about this brush is that I really enjoyed using it. I find that I get very good definition into my curls, and if, as you saw on the video, I like to just do it on the front, because I do find that if I use the brush all over the back of my hair, of, of my head, the curls clamp together too much and it seems like I have very little. My hair is fine, and if my curls clump together, it looks like I have less hair, and I do like to have more volume. So that's why I only like to do the front and the back, because as I mentioned, my hair, I don't have a lot of density, so my hair tends to separate in the middle. But by using the brush, I can get a fuller coverage at the back. So that's why I enjoy using this styling tool. Let me know in the comments below if you used this brush before, what are your thoughts, and if there's any particular product that you want me to try, or any specific styling methods that you would like to learn. Let me know and I will be more than happy to help you out. I hope you find this tutorial useful. If you did, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Design Toronto. See you next week. Bye.